In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Drive language settings. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to the Google Drive website. Make sure you're already logged into your account so you can access your files. Once you're inside Google Drive, go to the top right corner and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, make sure you're in the General tab, then scroll down until you find the Language section. Here, click the button that says Change Language Settings. This will open your Google account language preferences in a new tab. In this new tab, look for the option to add another language. If your preferred language isn't listed yet, click Add Another Language. Then type the language you want, for example, English, and select it from the results. After selecting the language, you'll be asked to choose a region or country variation. Pick the one you prefer, then click Save to add it to your language list to make this your default language. Locate it in your list and click the up arrow next to it and to move it to the top. If you have multiple languages, keep clicking the up arrow until your preferred language is at the very top of the list. Once done, close the Google Account tab and return to your Google Drive tab. Finally, refresh your browser and the new language will be applied across the entire Google Drive interface. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.